Hello class 6 student. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Today I am going to teach you the remaining portion of chapter number 8. Plants, form and function. I hope you are interested in this chapter. Alright, this is very interesting chapter and today I am going to teach you different types of flowers, what is the function of a flower, what is the uses of flower, study of some different type of flowers, the fruit, function of the fruits and book exercise. Alright student. So first we discuss the types of the flowers. Complete flowers. Okay. In previous part we discussed about a flower is made up of 4 parts. Alright. Stamen, pistil, sepals and petals are 4 holes present on the flowers. Alright students, if you are not watching the previous session, first you watch this video and then you watch this video. Okay, so you clearly understand. Alright, so the 4 hole is calyx, corolla or androecium and gynoecium. Okay, here is a spelling mistake in your book. Okay, this is the androecium. First you open your book, page number 74. Alright student, so open your book and underline the important points. Okay, so the 4 holes are present, such a flower is said to be a complete flower. If the sepal, petals or calyx and corolla, sepals and petals scientific name is calyx and corolla, and androecium and gynoecium is pistil and stamen. Okay, if the 4 holes is present in a flower, then हम कहेंगे कि वो complete flower. Alright, if anyone is a hole of 4 have a lacking, okay, इनमें से चारों में से अगर एक भी portion कम है, so we can say the incomplete flower. Okay, if the flower is lacking of 1 hole, out of the 4 of the flower said to be incomplete. For example, cucurbits. Okay, so bisexual and the second name is hermaphrodite. Alright, both the name is similar. Bi means 2, sexual means sexes is present, means male and female. Okay, 2 sexes means male and female, both are present in a single flower. Male and female means stamen and pistil, androecium and gynoecium. Alright, in most flowers the androecium and gynoecium are present in the same flower. Such flower is called bisexual flower. Example is cotton. If one sexual is present is called unisexual. Uni means 1. Okay, so did you know the longest plant in the world is redwood tree in California? Okay, longest tree plant. Alright, redwood tree, this is known as General Sherman. General Sherman. The trunk of this tree is more than 80 meter high and it's about 30 meter thick. Its base and is more than 3500 year old. Alright, means redwood tree is the longest plant and the oldest plant which is present in the California is known as General Sherman. Alright, this is 3500 year old. Alright, now bisexual की तरह unisexual, if gynoecium or androecium में if any one is only present is called uni. Uni means 1, sex means male or female, any one male and female is present, then we say that unicellular flower. Okay, if the flower is lacking gynoecium or androecium on the same plant, the flower is said to be unisexual flower. Okay, actinomorphic means the flower which can be bisect into the similar half among 2 or more planes is called actinomorphic. अगर हम फ्लावर को बीच में से हाफ करते हैं, ओके, जैसे कि हम एक्टिनोमॉर्फिक बीच में साफ करते हैं तो एक आईज इधर, एक इधर, हाफ नोज इधर, हाफ इधर, तो हम एक्टिनोमॉर्फिक यानी हर चीज बराबर इक्वली हाफ एंड हाफ होती है. तो सिमिलरली अगर हम फ्लावर को भी बीच में से बाइसेक्ट करते हैं यानी कट करते हैं तो वो इक्वली 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड होगा. तो इस तरह की फ्लावर को हम क्या कहेंगे? एक्टिनोमॉर्फिक. ओके, और फ्लावर विच कैन बी बाइसेक्ट इनटू सिमिलर हाफ इन ओनली वन प्लेन, अगर एक ही डायरेक्शन से काटेंगे तभी वो होगा, ओके। और एक्टिनोमॉर्फिक को हम 2 डायरेक्शंस में भी कट कर सकते हैं। तो जाइगोमॉर्फिक जिसको सिर्फ हम एक ही डायरेक्शन में काट सकते हैं इज अ पाइसन सटाइवम। पाइसन सटाइवम इज अ साइंटिफिक नेम ऑफ पी प्लांट। ऑलराइट स्टूडेंट्स, so what is the main function of the flower? Flower's the main function is reproduction, so the new plant is grow. All right, so flower is we call the reproductive part of the plant. All right, it is the organ of reproduction in the plants and it's grown into fruit and seeds. All right, so seeds कहाँ बनेंगे? Flowers के fruit में convert होने से, so we say that the flower is the reproductive part of the plant. Okay, so you have learned that the typical flower possesses the male and female reproductive organ. Male means androecium, female means gynoecium. The male sex cell is contain the pollen grains and found in the anther, and female sex cell contains is the ovules which is found in the ovary. Alright, so male जो होता है स्टीमन, स्टीमन के एंथर के अंदर पोलन ग्रेन्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं, और फीमेल जो होती है उसकी ओवरी के अंदर ओव्यूल्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं। ओके, गो टू द पिक्चर एंड रीड दिस। ऑलराइट, सो द पोलन ग्रेन्स ट्रांसफर होके एंथर से फीमेल के स्टिग्मा पर आते हैं, तो उसे हम क्या कहेंगे? पोलिनेशन। और आफ्टर पोलिनेशन जब मेल सेल एंड फीमेल सेल आपस में फ्यूज हो जाती है तो ओव्यूल के अंदर, तो उस प्रोसेस को हम कहेंगे फर्टिलाइजेशन। और फर्टिलाइज्ड ओव्यूल्स जो होता है वो किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है? सीड में। और जो ओवरी होती है वो किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है? फ्रूट में। ओके, सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट फर्टिलाइज्ड ओव्यूल्स, अंडरलाइन, फर्टिलाइज्ड ओव्यूल्स ग्रो इनटू द सीड under favorable conditions. Seed germinate and give rise to seedling which develop into the new plant. Okay, so this type of reproduction is known as sexual reproduction. Okay, where we uses the flower, you all know that we are using in perfumes, spices, for the decoration of the houses, different type of puja, aarti. Okay, in our garden, in flower vase, different area we use this flowers. Okay, so first aesthetic means flowering plants are grown in houses, garden, park, roadsides for the brilliant colors and beautiful shapes and sweet smell. Alright, so the flower is also used in interior decoration for the marriage purpose, birthday parties and other festivals. Alright, second we use perfumes. Okay, different fragrance perfume is available like a rose, jasmine, curra, lavender are the formed by the flowers. Alright, now different spices, you know that the cloves means long, जो हम अपने फूड में या स्पाइसेस में यूज करते हैं, is a dry fruit. Okay, dry fruits means almond and cashews नहीं, dry fruits means सूखा हुआ, dried है. Alright, so clove is often used to spices and medicine is dried flower bud of the clove plant. Alright, so always remember that clove is a flower part of the plant. Alright, which we use in spices. Now we study of the some different type of flower. First we discuss the China rose and we call in gudhal. Alright, you often look this flower in the garden. Alright, because we study this plant, because the 4 holes are clearly understand in this flower. Alright, so this flower is red in color and occurs singly. Each flower is a large with a long pedicel. Okay, this is the pedicel which is attached to the stem, and it is a complete flower because it contains the 4 holes, means sepals, petals, stamen and pistil. All 4 holes are present in this flower, so we call them a complete flower. Alright, count the number of sepals and petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so the calyx consists of the 5 fused sepal with the green in the color. Okay, at the base they are calyx which is 5 in number, and corolla is petal, which is also in a 5 in number. Alright. So stamen is made and all filament are fused to form a single tube gut, and the anther are free. Alright. Look at this. A single tube, and this is the yellow portion. Okay. These all are the anther. And their filament is fused to make a single filament like structure. Okay. Now gynoecium consists 5 carpel, a 5 style. Okay. Stylus, which is united in the base but free from the tip with the 5 stigma. Okay. And this is the stigma, which is divided into the 5 part. Okay. Stigma किसमें 5 और नीचे से वो कैसी है fused. Alright. So this is the study of the common flower. So if you are near the China rose or the gudhal is present, then take the one flower and study about this flower. Alright, the 5 calyx is present, 5 corolla is present, stamens are also present, which filament is tube shaped, and their anther is free. Alright, which is yellow in color, and stigma is also in a 5 parts. Alright. Now this is the simple picture of sweet pea. Alright, this is the flower is also complete, having a 4 holes present. Look at this picture. Calyx and corolla. Okay. Petals opened out. अगर इन सारे petals को हम separate करते हैं तो हम बीच में से अगर इसे कट करते हैं तो 2 हाफ में होगा, इसलिए इसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? इसे हम कहेंगे zygomorphic. Okay, we call them zygomorphic type of flower. Okay, sepals are 5 in number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sepals is present. Okay, and 5 number is the calyx. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the calyx. This is corolla. Means sepals, and this is the petals. Sepals and petals. Okay. Now एंड्रूशियम इज द 10 स्टीमन अरेंज इन 2 बंडल. ओके, 9 एक तरफ है और 1 एक सिंगल अलग है. ऑलराइट, तो 10 के फॉर्म में है, 9 एक तरफ और 1 एक सिंगल अलग से. लुक एट दिस. ऑलराइट, एंड द गाइनोशियम है सिंगल कार्पेट विद सिंगल लोब. ओके, ऊपर से सिंगल ये स्टिग्मा, ये स्टाइल और ये नीचे से ओवरी. ऑलराइट स्टूडेंट, सो दिस इज द इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द स्वीट पी. ऑलराइट, now this is the fruit, very simple and very delicious fruit as a mango. Alright, so after fertilization we say that the fertilized ovary grow into the fruit. Okay, so fruit may be defined as the mature or ripe ovary. Okay, तो जब ovary जो होती है वो फूल कर बड़ी हो जाती है तब वो किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है? फ्रूट. Alright, so fruit consists of 2 parts, pericarp and a seed. Okay, this is the outer part is called pericarp and this is the seed. The pericarp develop on the wall of the ovary. ovary की जो wall होती है उससे pericarp बनता है और seed जो होते हैं वो ovule से develop होते हैं. So the pericarp may not be differentiate into the 3 layer. Okay, 3 layers जैसे इसमें दिख रही है, हर fruits में differentiate नहीं होती. Like epicarp जो हमारा बाहर की पील होती है, inner जो fleshy part juicy, mesocarp and ectoderm जो seed के चारों तरफ. Okay, so the 3 layer epicarp, mesocarp and endocarp is the part of the pericarp. Okay, the outer layer or skin of the fruit is called epicarp, the middle layer is mesocarp and the inner layer is called endocarp. Okay, this is the very simple structure of the fruit. What is the function of the fruit? It protect the seed. ओके, क्योंकि इसके इनसाइड में रहता है सीड, तो उसको इंजरी होने से या अनफेवरेबल कंडीशन से वो प्रोटेक्ट करता है. कौन? फ्रूट. ऑलराइट, सो डिस्पर्सल इनटू सीड. डिस्पर्सल मींस ट्रांसफर ऑफ सीड फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. ऑलराइट, सो फ्रूट हेल्प टू डिस्पर्स. इफ एनी ऑफ द एनिमल ईट द फ्रूट, देन दे थ्रू आउट द सीड पोर्शन. ऑलराइट, तो सीड इज डिस्पर्स फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. When some fruits is dry up and जो अपने fruit से separate हो जाते हैं और वो हवा के साथ one place से another place तक क्या होंगे? dried होने की वजह से light weight हो जाते हैं और वो बहुत दूर तक चले जाते हैं और वहाँ पर new plant grow हो जाता है. So this is the dispersal of the seed. Now some fruits storage of the food and we use as a fruits and vegetables. Alright, so tomato, apple and mango, which we use in our food. Alright, tomato is not a vegetable, this is the fruit. Alright students, so remember that tomato is a fruit. So student, open your book exercise, page number 75. Okay, so first, pollen grains are produced by. Pollen grains कौन produce करता है? Anther, stigma, ovules. Stigma and ovules, these are the female parts, so the answer is anther. The flower remain attached to the stem. कौन से part से flower attached रहता है? The pedicel, because petiole is the part of the leaf, or ridges is the also part of the leaf, which is compound leaf. Alright students, the tendril of pea plant is modified leaf. Alright students, remember that tendril of the pea plant is modified leaf. Which part of the flower turned into the fruit? Okay, not into the seed. Which part of the flower turned into the fruit? Sepals and petals are the male and female reproductive part. The ovary is turned into the fruit and ovules turned into the seeds. If 4 holes in the flower is present, then we say that complete flower. A mature ovary of a flower becomes fruit. Ovary जब mature होगी तो किस में convert हो जाएगी? Fruit में. Alright students, इसका opposite है. Which part of flower turn into fruit? Ovary. Mature ovary of flower is a fruit. Now fill in the blanks. Plants that grow along the ground, जो ground के साथ में grow करते हैं, is a creepers. Alright? Write a proper spelling and do this book exercise only in your book. Alright student? Remember that, don't do in a notebook, do only in the book and learn for your examination. Alright? Potato is a modified root, stem or leaf. The answer is stem. Dash is the female sex organ of the flower. Is a pistil or gynoecium. Okay, both the answer is correct. Nodulated root help in a very important question. Help in a nitrogen fixation. Alright. Ovules grow into. Okay, अभी हमने 2 times ovary का पढ़ा कि fruits develop from the ovary, but ovules develop the seeds. The leaf is called the food factory of the plant because they make food for the plants. Now pick the correct option. A simple leaf has undivided lamina is the right. क्योंकि single ही lamina present होता है. The leaves use oxygen and sunlight to manufacture food? No. Leaves use carbon dioxide and sunlight to manufacture food. Okay. So correct this sentence. Now the plumule of the embryo developed into the stem is correct because radicle develop the root and plumule develop the stem. The 4 hole is sepal, petal, androecium and gynoecium is correct. Alright. Now claw is a dried food. Yes, अभी हमने read किया. This is the right. Cotton is not a bisexual. Cotton is a bisexual plant. Alright, because 4 holes is present in the cotton plant. In some plants, stems modified into spine to reduce water loss is correct. It's the desert area, cactus, their leaves are modified into the spines, so they reduce the water losses. Alright student, so I hope you clearly understand this chapter very well, and this is a very interesting chapter, and I hope you clearly understand and do this your book activity only in your book and do keywords and question answer in your notebook. Alright student, don't worry, your question answer and notes available on every Friday in your school website or your school channel. Alright student, so do your work very neatly and correctly in your notebook. So whenever the copies are coming to the school, I will check your copies, and if possible, then paste 5 pictures of the simple leaf and compound leaf in your classwork notebook. Okay. Hope you understand. Thank you.